Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon action figure number 1. Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome to my series on teaching you how to draw cartoons. Today is actually a unique one. We're going to be learning action lines through a stick figure, and I'm creating this so that you will be able to learn how to get more out of your art and really push the characters a little bit deeper than just static flat. In this case, I used a red lines there to indicate the action line for the body, the first one, and how the hands are going to be. And I'm just using stick figures, really simplifying the technique so that you can actually see it. And then what I would suggest you to do is use this stick figure and create your own character in the same pose. So as you can see here, he looks like he's like swinging in the air. In this case, I'm actually going to make him holding some weights, like he's flying in the air. And that whole action line there really is pushing the exaggeration of the character. So it's not just him standing still, giving some more emphasis to the pose, which really dramatically changes the illustration that you would be showing. So again, when you finish seeing this video, I would love to see some of your drawings. Now what you're currently looking at is what I just did quickly by coloring in what I just sketched out. So let's take a quick review. The first action line is his body. That's that red line from top to bottom. Then left and right is the weights with his hands. And then in his face, you can see I actually created the crosshair so you can see where his eyes and nose and mouth will go. So bottom line is what I just created here for you to see is how creating a stick figure first and just getting the action line, then coming back to finalizing with your own cartoon character pose using that stick figure. I hope you enjoy this video lesson because I'm going to be making several more simple ones like this that you can challenge your drawing. And thanks for watching my videos. Check us out on Facebook, that's JMG Studio, and on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Oh, hey! I hope you enjoyed our video today, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, because then you can see all our old videos as well as the new ones that are coming up. Alright, thanks a lot. Take care.